guys know by time today I'm going to be doing passion twists for the first time with braiding hair. So before I get this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button to become Renee, because the Renee way I know that's someone that's on period, and make sure your notifications are on so you really don't have video descriptions on anything. So I'm gonna show you guys the hair first. So this hair is actually, this is the hair that I'm using, and oops, this hair I made yesterday. I did this yesterday, and I bought some straws, but when I realized I didn't have to buy those, I could just use a whole bunch of pencils I had, but I wasn't thinking about that. And the tutorial to how to do this, I'll leave in the description box down below, because this was inspired by a YouTuber. I don't want to mess her name up, so I'll put her name right here, but the link to that video will be in the description box down below. So yeah, this is the hair, and I didn't use this pack. I used one pack because the other pack I was using, I decided, because it was a style that I was going for, but it wasn't working, so I was going to actually go and do feed-in braids. But then I decided, let me just go ahead and do something simple and do some passion twists. So yeah, one pack of hair was wasted in the other one, so I just kind of like threw it away because it was like stringy and all over the place. But technically this hairstyle took 3 3.5 of hair to do this. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys the products I used. So I used foam, shiny jam, some rubber bands and some hair oil, some 𝘬𝘁𝑝I glue and a crochet needle, and I didn't want to use my actual conditioner, so I used that conditioner when I dipped it in, and then that was an edge brush, comb, and another comb, I believe. And that was pretty much it. And then I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I did yesterday, and I did explain it, but I think I have cut that clip out. But basically yesterday when I did it the first time in curling the hair, I cut the hair, like the long piece that came like one side of the pack, one like pack thing out of it, and I cut it into 2 and I cut it into 4. But yesterday I didn't do that and I forgot to, so when I was unraveling today it was longer than usual, which threw me off, which is why you see me looking at the hair like that. But I ended up making it work and still had 2 pieces left over from yesterday, so I used those 2 pieces in the front at the top, so that both of the 2 front braids would be identical for the hairstyle that I put in after. But that was pretty much it. So this video is most likely going to be a voiceover with the music and stuff, so you guys can watch me do this. And if you guys want a tutorial on how I curled my hair and stuff like that, and just more in depth of me explaining it, I will do that video for you. But like I said, everything, all of the products, all of the pretty much like the estimated time, the link to the video that I watched, and a whole bunch of other stuff will be linked in the description box down below. Feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section, and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so basically after you part your hair, you just want to put rubber bands on it. But I didn't have rubber bands when I first put the when my sister had helped me put the little braids in, so I just braided them up. But I ended up taking most of them out anyways and just putting the rubber bands on it as I went. But basically you just like, do your parts, then you gel it up, put a rubber band on it, and then you take the crochet needle, and then you put the hair on the end and you pull it through, which doesn't sound hard, but there are plenty of videos on YouTube to explain how you do that. I wanted to make a clear tutorial, but for whatever reason I wasn't positioned in front of the camera enough for you guys to see that, so sorry about that. But yeah, that's pretty much all I did. And then I just did that throughout my hair, just crocheting the hair through the parts, and then I twisted about 2 times down, and then I fed in another piece, and then I just twisted that down. And it's not that hard. It's actually easier than feed-in braids. You just have to have a good grip to keep the hair in place so that it won't slide down when you're twisting and won't like poke out or anything like that. And if you don't want like them to look like messy looking, not messy, but like you don't want them to be tighter curls, then I wouldn't suggest you I would suggest you curl them tighter, curl the hair tighter, and leave it to dry longer. This wasn't dry and I didn't cut it right, so that's why the hair kind of looked loose like that. Or you could just use Freech's water wave, but I didn't want to pay for that much hair that I wasn't probably going to use. And then on top of that, I didn't even have my color. I have one bead, but I didn't want to get like one or like another color that didn't match my hair and stuff, and then I want to get a little bit of hair and get too much hair. So I just decided to go ahead and, you know, do the feeding braids, but then I decided, you know, let's just, you know, do a little DIY and do some patch twists. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this hairstyle, I guess. If you guys, like I said, if you guys want a more detailed tutorial, I can do a video explaining deeper into like how you would feed in the parts and stuff like that. But other than that, it's very simple and easy, and it didn't really take that long. The part of my hair that was done when the video started actually took like an hour, 2 hours, an hour and a half, and then the rest only took about a good 30-40 minutes. Like I said, ask me any questions in the comment section if you get confused on anything I did. And yeah.
Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Just say you will come through and chill. 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 I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Just say you will come through and chill. Just say you will come through and chill.